Welcome back guys with another brand new video, and in this video we will discuss about the 2-bit comparators. So firstly, what exactly is a 2-bit comparator? Well, in digital circuits, a comparator is a device that compares two binary numbers and determines their relationship greater than, less than, or equal to. The 2-bit aspect means it compares two binary numbers, each having 2 bits. As you can see here, that two numbers each having 2 bits here. So if we go forwards towards the understanding of binary comparison, before we delve deeper, let's quickly recap binary numbers. In the binary system, we use zeros and ones to represent numbers. As everyone know this very well, with 2 bits, we can represent four possible combinations: 00, 01, 10, and 11. What here you can see the functional diagram of the 2-bit comparator. Now let's take a look at the functional diagram and working principle. It consists of two sets A and B, and each components or each set contains 2 bits, 0 and 1. If you can see here that we have 00, and you can see it means that you can see that A equal to B, that's one input of the A is a high or 1 and the other input is 0. Similarly, in case of set B, with the first input is low or 0 and the second input is high or 1. So it's fulfilling that condition that A is equal to B. If we make these both inputs high, then you can see that we have outputs of the conditions that A is less than B. It means B is greater than A also as high. Here's how it's work. When two bit numbers A and B fed into the comparator, it checked the bits from left to right, starting with the most significant bit. It compares them. If A is greater than B, it's put a greater than, and if A is less than B, then it puts a less than signal, and if A equals B, it produces an equal to sign of the signal. Then you can let's break down the truth table of a 2-bit comparator to better understand its functionality. We'll go through each combination of inputs and observe the outputs, illustrating how the comparator determines the relationship between the two binary numbers. And if we talk about the applications, a 2-bit comparator finds applications in various fields, including digital signal processing and arithmetic equations, operations, in microprocessors, and even in designing control systems. So let's wrap on our exploration of 2-bit comparator. We have covered their basic functionality, operation, and applications in digital circuits. I hope this video has provided you with a better understanding of how these essential components work in the world of digital electronics. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon